Today we upgraded from the Ring Battery Doorbell 1 to the Ring Battery Doorbell 2 in white color. The installation is very easy. We started by removing the old doorbell and installing the new back bracket. Before placing the camera, make sure the battery is fully charged so it can last longer between charges. Once the bracket is ready, you simply slide the doorbell down until it clicks into place. After installing it, we tested the button, the sound, and the motion alerts through the Ring app. I like that I can see live view and get alerts right from my phone.